My name is Yas Kalajanov. I am from STA 2012. So today I'll present you the assignment 4. The main idea of this assignment was to use the page object model in Selenium. What is the page object model? So page object model, or POM, is a design pattern or framework that we use in Selenium, using which one can create an object repository of the different web elements across applications. Shortly, in the page object model framework, we create a class file for each web page. So for the testing, I was using the Guru uh, demo website. So for flights, uh, as you can see here, I use this website for testing. So in my test case is to navigate into this page, login, then select an itinerary and complete the booking, and log out and close the browser. So I will have home page or login page. Then I have flight finder page. After that, select flight page, book flight page, and flight confirmation page. So first, what I did, I created my project. I launched IntelliJ IDEA and created a project by clicking on File, New, and New Project. After that, I added external jars. What I mean, I'll see I added all reference libraries. After that, I added Chrome driver. Then I added TestNG libraries into my project. After that, the first page which I created was a home page. So I created a class, named it homepage. And in this class, I placed homepage element locatas and metas. So here you can see my code below. So the method takes two parameters and return type object of flight finder page. Then the next page is flight finder page. So here I declared WebDriver, then element locatas. So I use 6 paths and names. Then constructor driver initialization. So after that we logged successfully. We will go to our flight finder page. So it has many elements. For now, I concentrated on one way, departing from, on date, and continue elements. So this method takes two parameters and return a type object of select flight page class. So the next page is select flight page. So I created a class file for select flight page. So I will go with the default selection of flights and click continue to go to next page. So below you can see my code. So you can see that I have only one method that takes no parameters and has returned type object of book flight page class. So the next page is book flight page. So I created class file for this page. Also, book flight page has many elements, but I concentrated on first name, last name, and number elements. Below you can see my code. So you can also see that I have only one method that take three parameters and has a return type object of flight confirmation page. So the last page is flight confirmation page. So I verified the confirmation message by using asset statement and then log out from the page. So here you can see my code. So I created class for the flight confirmation page. So in this class, I place flight confirmation page element locatas and metas. I click finish to close the window. Then I have only one method that takes no parameters and has no return time, which is because our test case ends here and I don't have any other page to navigate. So here you can see my structure looks like. So I successfully implemented page object model in our framework. So I created 5 class files for 5 different pages, and each class file have its own page specific code. So thank you for all. Goodbye.